Swadikap. Hi, let me briefly introduce myself. My name is Tepakut. You can call me by nickname Nicky. I'm 24 years old. I'm Thai. I graduated Bachelor degree of Tourism Chiang Mai University. In the past, I was a student trainee in Lost and Found of Thai Airways Chiang Mai stations. After that, I was an experienced ambassador of Experience Club Company by the New Concept Company Group. These positions work like tourist guide and butler. I took the guests to visit around Chiang Mai tourist attractions and fulfill their needs. Nowadays, I am a waiter at Chili Laloni Italian and Thai fusion food restaurant. I do many things here, such as taking the order, serving wine and other drink, and making satisfaction to the customers. Why I would like to work on the cruise ship? Because the cruise ship job is one of the hospitality services that I would like to do. I saw the cruise ship job on the social media and YouTube. It made me so excited to having more experience on board. That's why I took a flight dining course of HOS, House of Hospitality Training Center, to preparing myself for the cruise ship jobs. I know that the cruise ship jobs are hard and long working time, but I can handle it because I am honest, friendly, and flexible person. Moreover, I can work under pressure, and I have experience about other parts of hospitality service, airlines, and tourism. Finally, I do hope you will give me a chance to let me be your part of team. Thank you. ขอบคุณครับ